In a world where technology and innovation come together, a new era begins. Welcome to the era of smart cities, where IoT has transformed city living. Smart cities in IoT, where innovation meets the streets. The future we have dreamed of is here, featuring advanced cybersecurity, AI-driven automation for efficient city operations, and driverless transport to ease traffic and reduce emissions. The Internet of Everything connects devices and systems to improve communication and resource management. Smart energy grids enhance energy efficiency and sustainability, while interactive service bots provide user-friendly assistance. Picture supports virtual companies, facilitating remote work and services like telework, teleeducation, and telehealth, enhancing convenience and accessibility for residents. In the metropolis of dreams, where advanced cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and super automation control supreme, where driverless transport navigates seamlessly and the Internet of Everything connects our world. Where smart energy grids fuel sustainability, talking and serviceable boats enhance daily life, and telecity architectures has revolutionized work, all with the flexibility of teleservices. This is the promise of Urbantopia, a vision that has become a reality. We, the people, have harnessed the potential of smart city infrastructure to create a place where innovation and compassion thrive.